In this video, I will show you how to configure a file system archive job in Content Access. I log into the Content Access Central Administration page. Then I navigate to the File Archive tab, click on the Jobs button, and then click on Plus New to create a new file system archive job. The Add New Job Instance dialog will open. Here I select File System Archive from the list of available jobs, enter a display name for it, then I click on Add. I answer OK for the following pop-up window. Now, I can start to configure the archiving job. Under Database Settings, I select an already configured database from the list, where the metadata will be stored. This database can either be local or can be located on a network database server. Under Storage Settings, I select the location where my binaries will be stored. In this case, this stores a network shared folder in one of the network attached storages. Under Scheduler Settings, I select a scheduler, which will determine the exact running times of the archiving process. I have here multiple choices. I can set up a one-time scheduler, a daily or weekly repeating scheduler. It's up to me. My job will start every day at 5 p.m. Under Notification Settings, I set the type of notification emails from the list. It is recommended to select here errors or warnings occur. I would like to get such notifications from the job, so I type my own email address here. When the documents are modified very often and too many versions are created, I would then like to get an email about this too. I will get such emails after the version count is more than 50. Now, I scroll down the page, and under File System Locations, I click on Plus New. I copy here the path of the folder that I would like to archive. I do not select the Use Explicit Credentials option, so the system user will be automatically used. I also run a test. If I have typed a correct folder path and user, then I save my settings. Content Access File Archive enables filtering among files to be archived according to age, size, and file type. Now I will archive all files bigger than 120 kilobytes, so I enter this value in the File Size dialog. Under Retention Settings, I select Data Retention, which is prescribed by the law or internal company regulations. During this period of time, deleting of archived items from the storage will be disabled. In File Archive, I can select from 3 archive types. It is possible to keep or delete the original file, or create a link file which will replace the original item. Now I choose this third option. If File Archive process will take place with this shortcutting method, then the virtual drive server name must also be entered here. Under Resource Settings, I set a value which will determine how many items will be simultaneously processed. I am ready now, so I navigate to the top of the page and save my settings. Hooray! It's 5 o'clock. My file archive job begins to process the selected folder contents. I wait a bit until the job finishes the process, and now it is ready. Let's check my source folder, where the archived items were replaced with the shortcuts linking to the original files. Let's choose one of them. I open it to check its contents. If I edit and save it, then the next running file archive job will archive this new version to my archive. Choose Content Access and its Pretty File Archive solution, and the access to your safely archived documents will be guaranteed. Thank you for your attention.